Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm back again, with another new tutorial video. Today's video, I'm going to show you, how to connect your phone with a projector. So let's see what you will need to do this work done. First of all, a very important one, you will need a USB Type-C to VGA port converter. Because mobile phone doesn't have VGA port. So this one is must needed one. Then, there's another important cable you will need. A VGA cable. This cable supposed to be comes with the projector, so you don't need to look up other place to find this cable. And, the power cable for projector. Without this one you won't be able to run the projector, and, you will need a good, working, and functional projector. A dead projector will only waste your time. You will also need a speaker for the audio if you need. Or if your projector doesn't have audio speaker. Now let's see how to connect all these. First I have connect the VGA male and female. And then connect with the projector. And then connected with my mobile. And to finally connect projector with the electric power. Now, open the projector's light cap. As I have connected the power, here we can see the power light is flashing. It means projector got the electric power. But it's not yet ready. We will have to wait until this light is on. Oh yeah, if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribe my channel. And turn on the notification, so that you won't miss when I upload new video. Okay, now we can see that another light comes. Now press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. And see the projector lamp is slowly coming. You will get a notification on your phone. It will ask to permissions to projection your phone screens. Just allow it. And then another notification which is allow you to use your phone as a touchpad. Click on that and use your phone as a touchpad.
Just click OK on this message. This message is because the screen aspect ratio is not same. It's not any problem. Okay, you're all set to use your device in projector screen. If you enjoyed watching this video, and from this video if you learned something new, then hit the like button, and comment your valuable thoughts about this video. We have reached the end of this video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.